morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, April Fools. Yes, it is April Fool's Day, April 1st. Do you like to prank people? Do you enjoy this holiday? It's hard to prank yourself when you live alone. Yeah. Last night, I prepared pork and broccoli with mushroom stir fry. I adapted this recipe and I served it with, they started out as dried udon noodles. It was fun because when they're basically done, they float to the top like little worms. It was a lot of fun. It was good. I think I gave it a 4. It's a good one. Tonight, switching gears. We're basically going American. Baked caramelized onions and chicken. And I'll be serving that over good old mashed potatoes. What's fun about this recipe is the onions are done in the oven. So, let's get to it. Got the Dutch oven out for the potatoes. I don't have the saute pan out, but I will later. 9x13 for the onions. So I got some chicken thighs. I'll be using 1.5 yellow onions. Will be nicely sliced. I'm going to cut off the top of this head of garlic, and we'll drizzle all the onions and garlic with olive oil. But we'll be adding some sun-dried tomatoes, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and I'll be using extra virgin olive oil for this one. And a little bit of Italian seasoning and some paprika. I'm using Indian paprika, which is Kashmiri Lal Mirch. And the garlic here is actually for the chicken. The heavy whipping cream is also for the chicken and for the potatoes. I'm using Yukon Golds. Not all these potatoes are for tonight. I'm actually tomorrow's recipe, which is a kind of a Reuben dish, a corned beef dish. We'll be using some of these potatoes for tomorrow. And I use sour cream and butter. I'm trying out the Tillamook butter. Goes in my potatoes, of course, with kosher salt, black pepper, and heavy cream. So these are the goodies for tonight's wonderful meal. And there's my hand masher. I hand mash my potatoes. Growing up, and I've done it as an adult, hand mixer for mashed potatoes. But I don't know. I just like hand mashing them. I like some lumps in my potatoes. Yeah. The weather, man, spring doesn't know when to come. I mean, it's here. I mean, technically it's spring. But we're supposed to have rain on and off all day, possible thunderstorms. It hailed here yesterday. Little pea-sized hail. My pool was just like, yeah. So, on this April Fool's Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.